Stop right there before you spend a single dollar on your Barndominium build. What if I told you that the Cypress Ridge style Barndominium could save you anywhere from $30,000 to $150,000 compared to a traditional home of the same size? But only if you understand the real costs going in. Today I'm breaking down everything about the Cypress Ridge Barndominium design, the actual 2026 costs you need to know, and the hidden expenses most builders won't tell you about until it's too late. If you're serious about building a Barndominium this year, you need to watch this entire video because I'm going to show you exactly where your money goes, what you can expect to pay per square foot, and the smart moves that could save you tens of thousands of dollars. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos on Barndominium financing and DIY tips that could cut your costs even further. What is the Cypress Ridge Barndominium design? The Cypress Ridge represents a modern take on the classic Barndominium style. This design typically features a sleek exterior with clean lines, open concept living spaces, and that perfect blend of rustic charm with contemporary functionality that's making Barndominiums explode in popularity across America in 2026. The typical Cypress Ridge style Barndominium ranges from 1,800 to 2,400 square feet and includes 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and an open living area with vaulted ceilings that create an incredible sense of space. What sets this design apart is the thoughtful layout that maximizes every square foot while maintaining that signature barn aesthetic on the exterior. The exterior usually showcases metal siding with board and batten accents, a combination that gives you durability and curb appeal. You'll often see large windows flooding the interior with natural light, covered porches for outdoor living, and architectural details like decorative timber frame gables that add character without breaking the budget. Inside, the Cypress Ridge style emphasizes open concept living. The kitchen, dining, and living areas flow together seamlessly, often featuring exposed beams, high ceilings ranging from 12 to 16 feet, and modern finishes that balance the industrial barn feel with comfortable home living. The master suite typically includes a spa-like bathroom with double vanities, walk-in shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. 2026 cost breakdown. Let's talk real numbers, because this is where most people get shocked. Building a Cypress Ridge-style Barndominium in 2026 will cost you between $95 and $220 per square foot for a complete turnkey build, depending on your location, finish level, and how much work you're willing to do yourself. For a 2,000 square foot Cypress Ridge Barndominium, here's what you're realistically looking at. The base costs include the building shell kit at $20 to $35 per square foot, which for 2,000 square feet runs $40,000 to $70,000. This includes your steel frame, metal siding, roofing, and basic structure. Foundation costs run $6 to $14 per square foot, so expect $12,000 to $28,000 for a concrete slab foundation. Site preparation and excavation add another $5,000 to $15,000 depending on your land condition. Interior finishing is where costs really add up. Insulation using spray foam runs $1.50 to $5 per square foot, totaling $3,000 to $10,000. Drywall installation costs $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot, adding $3,000 to $7,000. Flooring ranges from $4 to $15 per square foot installed, running $8,000 to $30,000 depending on materials. Kitchen and bathrooms are major expenses at $25,000 to $60,000 combined for mid-range finishes. Electrical work for a Barndominium runs $10,000 to $30,000, including all wiring, outlets, fixtures, and the electrical panel. Plumbing costs $7,000 to $15,000 for basic systems, more if you want luxury features. HVAC installation ranges from $6,000 to $20,000, depending on system quality and size. Windows and doors typically cost $5,000 to $15,000 total. Interior doors and trim add $3,000 to $8,000. Paint and finishing touches run $2,000 to $5,000. For a complete 2,000 square foot Cypress Ridge Barndominium in 2026, you're looking at a total cost range of $190,000 to $440,000, depending on finish level and location. Budget builds with basic finishes hit around $95 to $145 per square foot. Mid-range builds with quality materials run $150 to $190 per square foot, and high-end luxury builds exceed $200 to $220 per square foot. Compare this to traditional stick-built home construction in 2026, which averages $150 to $400 per square foot. The savings come from the simplified steel structure, faster build time requiring less labor, and the flexible interior where you control finish costs. Location impact on costs. Where you build dramatically affects your bottom line. In Texas, the most popular barndominium state, costs run $85 to $165 per square foot. The Midwest, including Missouri, Kansas, and Arkansas, sees $90 to $170 per square foot. Mountain states run higher, at $100 to $185 per square foot due to snow load requirements. Coastal areas hit $110 to $210 per square foot, with hurricane wind load engineering. California tops the chart at $145 to $250 per square foot due to stringent codes and high labor costs. Rural locations offer cheaper land, but may require $15,000 to $35,000 for well and septic systems. Utility connections in rural areas can add $5,000 to $75,000 if major services need extension. Driveway costs range from $3,000 to $15,000, depending on length and material. Design features and customization. The Cypress Ridge design offers incredible flexibility for customization. The open floor plan means you decide where walls go, creating the exact layout you want. Vaulted ceilings come standard with the barn structure, giving you that dramatic 14 to 16-foot height without additional framing costs. Common upgrades include a covered porch or patio, adding $30 to $100 per square foot of covered area. Bonus rooms or lofts utilizing the high ceilings for extra space. Shop or garage bays integrated into the same structure. Outdoor kitchens and entertainment areas running $5,000 to $25,000. And upgraded exterior finishes like stone or wood accents, adding $8,000 to $20,000. Interior customization options include luxury kitchen packages with commercial appliances at $15,000 to $40,000 extra, spa master bathrooms with soaking tubs and walk-in showers, adding $8,000 to $20,000, smart home technology integration at $3,000 to $10,000, custom built-ins and storage solutions running $5,000 to $15,000, and upgraded flooring like hardwood or luxury vinyl plank, adding $3 to $8 per square foot over basic options. The honest pros. Let's talk about why the Cypress Ridge and similar barndominium designs are crushing it in 2026. Cost savings of 15 to 30% compared to traditional construction means more house for your money. The construction timeline is drastically shorter, with the shell going up in days and total completion in 3 to 6 months versus 8 to 12 months for traditional homes. The open floor plan provides incredible flexibility. There are no load-bearing interior walls, so you can configure the space exactly how you want and easily modify it later if your needs change. The high ceilings create a sense of spaciousness that makes the home feel larger than its square footage. Durability is exceptional. Metal construction resists fire, termites, rot, and mold. These structures can withstand extreme weather, including high winds up to 140+ miles per hour and heavy snow loads. Maintenance is minimal, with no exterior painting needed and metal roofing lasting 40 to 50 years. Energy efficiency is excellent when properly insulated. The tight building envelope with spray foam insulation can result in 30 to 40% lower energy bills compared to traditional homes. The metal roof reflects heat in summer, and proper insulation keeps warmth in during winter. The aesthetic appeal is unique and eye-catching. In 2026, the modern farmhouse look is still incredibly popular, and barndominiums fit perfectly into this trend. The Cypress Ridge style specifically offers that clean, contemporary look while maintaining rustic charm. The honest cons. Now, let's keep it real about the challenges. Financing can be difficult, as many traditional lenders are hesitant about barndominiums. You may need to seek specialized construction loans or barndominium-specific lenders. Down payments often require 20 to 25% versus 10 to 15% for traditional homes. Zoning and permits can be challenging in some areas. Certain counties and HOAs don't allow metal residential structures. Always check local regulations before purchasing land or plans. Some areas require special permits or engineering for metal buildings. Resale value concerns exist in traditional suburban markets. Barndominiums sell best in rural areas where they're more common. In upscale suburban neighborhoods, you may face resistance from buyers expecting traditional architecture. Insulation requirements are specific and non-negotiable. You must use spray foam insulation for metal buildings to prevent condensation. This costs more upfront at $1.50 to $5 per square foot, but is essential. Skipping proper insulation leads to moisture problems and energy inefficiency. Acoustic considerations matter. Metal buildings can be louder during rain or hail without proper insulation. Sound dampening requires adequate insulation thickness and sometimes additional acoustic barriers. Interior wall construction requires building partition walls from the floor up, since there are no interior load-bearing walls in the structure. This adds labor, but also gives you complete freedom in layout. Real build example. Let me walk you through a realistic 2,000 square foot Cypress Ridge style build in rural Texas for 2026. Shell kit at $28 per square foot equals $56,000. Foundation at $9 per square foot equals $18,000. Site prep and permits total $8,000. Shell total comes to $82,000. Interior finishing for 2,000 square feet includes spray foam insulation at $6,000, drywall at $5,000, flooring at $18,000 for luxury vinyl plank, kitchen at $35,000 mid-range, bathrooms at $15,000, electrical at $18,000, plumbing at $11,000, HVAC at $12,000, windows and doors at $10,000, interior doors and trim at $5,000, and paint at $3,000. Interior total equals $138,000. Additional costs include covered porch, 400 square feet, at $40 per square foot, totaling $16,000. Well and septic at $20,000, driveway at $6,000, and landscaping at $4,000. Additional total equals $46,000. Grand total comes to $266,000, which equals $133 per square foot. Compare this to a traditional 2,000 square foot home in the same area at $350,000 to $450,000, and you're saving $84,000 to $184,000. Money saving strategies. Want to cut costs without sacrificing quality? Here are proven strategies for 2026. Act as your own general contractor if you have time and organizational skills. This saves 10 to 20% on labor costs, but requires managing all subcontractors yourself. Do finish work yourself, including painting, at potential $2,000 to $5,000 savings, installing flooring for $4,000 to $8,000 savings, cabinet installation saving $2,000 to $4,000, and light fixture installation saving $1,000 to $2,000. Buy materials directly when possible. Purchasing your own fixtures, flooring, and cabinets often saves 15 to 25% over contractor markup. Shop sales at big box stores. Consider scratch and dent appliances for 30 to 50% off, and time your build to take advantage of seasonal material sales. Start smaller and expand later. Build the shell larger than your immediate finish needs. Complete 1,500 square feet now and finish the remaining 500 square feet in 1 to 2 years. This spreads costs over time and lets you build sweat equity. Choose cost-effective finishes strategically. Splurge on things hard to change later, like good windows, quality HVAC, and proper insulation. Save on things easy to upgrade later, like light fixtures, cabinet hardware, and paint colors. Financing options for 2026. Understanding your financing options is crucial. Construction to permanent loans convert from construction loan to mortgage after completion, typically require 20 to 25% down, and offer interest-only payments during construction. Conventional construction loans are separate from your final mortgage, require you to refinance after completion, often need 25% down, and may have higher interest rates. USDA loans are available for rural properties if you qualify, offer zero down payment options, have income restrictions, and provide competitive rates. Cash building in phases lets you build the shell first, finish interior over time as you save, avoid interest payments, but require you to live elsewhere during construction. Home equity loans work if you own other property, can provide construction funds, typically offer lower rates than construction loans, but put your existing home at risk. Who should build a Cypress Ridge Barndominium? This design is perfect for you if you want maximum space for minimum cost, appreciate open concept living and high ceilings, are building in a rural or suburban area with flexible zoning, value low maintenance and durability, like the modern farmhouse aesthetic, or are willing to think outside traditional housing norms. This might not be for you if you're in a strict HOA with architectural restrictions, need traditional room separation and lower ceilings, are concerned about resale in suburban markets, can't secure specialized financing, or prefer traditional stick-built construction methods. The Cypress Ridge Barndominium style represents outstanding value in 2026 if you're in the right situation. With costs ranging from $95 to $220 per square foot, you're typically saving 15 to 30% compared to traditional construction, while getting a unique, durable, and low-maintenance home. The keys to success are understanding all costs up front, including shell, foundation, interior finishes, site work, permits, and utilities. Check local zoning and secure financing before buying plans. Get multiple quotes from experienced barndominium builders. Have realistic expectations about timeline and finish costs. Your next steps should be to verify local zoning allows barndominiums, get pre-qualified for financing to know your budget, obtain quotes from at least 3 builders, create a detailed budget including all costs, and decide your involvement level, DIY versus full contractor. Have you built a Cypress Ridge or similar style barndominium? Drop your experience and costs in the comments below. What would you do differently? What exceeded your expectations? And if you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest content about barndominium costs, designs, and building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.